Hi ladies, happy Wednesday. We are so excited because Thursday, Friday, and Saturday we are going to be having our annual open house. Annual means it's every year, and this is 44 years, ladies, that we have been here. So we have an open house every year, and we offer all of you wonderful ladies extra surprises and surcease and discounts and all kinds of good stuff. So we are going to do for our open house this year, and it will be Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We are going to do 30% off store wide. You know there are some exclusions. That will be the formal wear, Brighton, Julie Voss, Hammett, and anything else that's reduced. But other than that, the clothing, the shoes, the boots, the accessories, jewelry, all of that other will be included in 30% off. For Thursday, our first day, we are going to offer Charlie B at 50% off. So this is everything we have left in Charlie B, and a lot of things, there are just ones left. There's a lot of good bottoms in here. Seems like we had more bottoms than we had tops. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to tell you the sizes that we have and what we have. It is quite a bit. It's a rack and a half, but I'm going to try to do it in one rack. So I'm going to try not to get winded. Hold me back, ladies. So,
and I'll just also mention all of the Charlie B will be a final sale since it's half off.
Yes, it will be. It will be a final sale. And also, every day, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, I'm going to draw for 2 gift certificates to be given away. I will do 1 online gift certificate for everybody who buys something that's online or out of town. I will enter your name in 1 bucket or 1 pot, and everybody that comes in for a purchase will enter another pot. So each day I will draw 1 from each, so there will be 2 winners each day with a $50 gift certificate of each. So each day I will be giving away $100 total in gift certificates. So we still have loyalty stamps. We still have all that good stuff. So it's a great time to buy and rack up on some great savings, whether it's for a gift or for yourself. Okay, the first one is just going to be the one on the end cap. I'm not going to go through details. You see it. We've had it, so it's been here. The price originally is $124, so that means it's going to be $62 just for Thursday and Thursday only. It will go back Friday and Saturday being 30% off, but just for the 50% off. Do I need to go through and do fabric content on everything? Or if people want to know, they can ask.
Mm-hmm.
This is 50 rayon, 29 poly, and 21 nylon. So 124 in that, and I have a small and 2 mediums. We paired it with this great black, kind of a wash jean. This is just a straight leg, and it is a ankle jean. Or is it a crop or ankle? I think it's just an ankle.
What it'll say the inseam on the pocket.
28.
Ankle.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, these are originally priced at $114. And in those, I have a 4, I have a 6, I have an 8, I have a 12, and I have a 14 in that. This is the last sweater in this. It's a navy background with your different shades of cream and tan. The original price on this is $124, and this is a large. This is the last pair of dark wash jeans. These are a boot cut. These are a full length 31 inch, a regular rise. They do have that cute button treatment at the bottom with your different buttons, and it is a true button zip. The original price is $124, and these are a size 10. Another bottom we did was kind of in this mid-wash. It is a wide leg. It is a 31 inch, so it is a full length, and it is a true button zip. And the price on this is $124. I have that in a 4, a 6, I have an 8, a 10, and a 12. This is the last piece in this sweater. I love this. I actually own this myself. The price of this is $124, and this is a small. It looks great with this jean with the embroidery down the side. This is kind of in a boot cut. This is a full length. It is a true button zip. The price on this one is going to be $124. And in this one, I have a 4, I have a 6, I have an 8, make that 2 8s, a 10, make that 2 10s, and a 12. The next bottom that we have is this ombre washed black. So it gets lighter at the bottom as you go down. This is again a flare leg, regular length, a true button zip. This one is priced at $124. And in that, I have a 4, a 6, 2 8s, a 10, and a 12. This is the last sweater that we have, and this is a black with the beautiful pearl sleeves. And they have a cuff on them, and it's a little bit fuller sleeve, so it's going to give you a dressier look, more like a puff sleeve. And the neck is just a crew neck. And the price on this one is going to be $114, and this is a large. This is a true button zip black, and this kind of in a
Like
a twill rather than a denim. It's got a little bit of a not a dressier look to it, but it's not quite as casual as the denim fabric, a little bit lighter weight. This is a flare leg regular rise, and it is a true long 31.5 inches, and it has your button pockets here, your snap pockets. True button zip, priced at $114 in the black, and I have that in a 4, I have a 6, a 10, a 12, and a 14 in that one. Here is another last one sweater, the Queen of Hearts. I purchased this and I wore this to Cherokee. Did it bring me good luck? Sorry.
Not this time.
Not this time, but next time I'll wear it again. And it has your ace of spades on the sleeve. So that's your ace in the hole right there. Price on this is $114, and this is a large. Then we have another little heart theme going on. This is a reversible, so it is white black or black white. It has a funnel neck. It is a size large to be the last one, and the price on it is $124. Here is another heart sweater. Has your embroidered hearts on the sleeves, and they're actually like a boucle. So they stand out, so it's actually a 3D sweater, and it is a mock neck that is a nice relaxed mock neck. The price on this one is $114, and I have a small and a large in that one. We're still in hearts, and this is a heart themed denim in a medium wash. This is a wide leg, and this is another full length. The original price on this one is $124. I have that in a 4, I have a 6, make that 2 6s. I have 2 8s in that. We're still in the denim bottoms. These are in a black wash. They are just a straight leg. These are a 30-inch inseam. So here again, they are a full length, a true button zip, and they are priced at $99. In these, I have a 2, I have a 4, a 6, a 12, and a 16. This is like the other sweater I showed you earlier that I had one piece left in the navy combo. This is the black, and it's just black and cream. No two-tone on this one. It is a size medium, and the original price is $124. We have another black bottom here, and these are still in kind of a twill rather than a denim. They are a true button zip. They have got a boot leg, and they have a frayed bottom that's a little bit shorter in the front than the back, so you get that stair-step look. And like I said, it's more of a twill finish. The price on these are going to be $114. And in those, I have an 8, a 10, two 12s, a 14, and a 16. My favorites. I got these in both colors. They are a straight leg, like a, not quite a legging, but they fit your legs. They call it a slim leg. With the turn-up cuff, they have got the velvet going down the side with the bow turned up. These are a true button zip. They are priced at $114. In the denim, I have a 2, a 6, and an 8. And I also have it in the black denim. I have 2 pieces of those left at the same price. I have a 6 and I have a 14. This is a beautiful neutral cream and camel colored sweater. It has a turn up wide cuff on the sleeve. It's a little bit shorter length and it just has a crew neck, priced at $114. And in that one, I have a small, a medium, and an extra large. I've got a couple of styles left of a winter white. And this here again feels almost more of a twilly effect. It is a 28 inch, so it is an ankle bootleg. So if you like bootleg, it's a little bit shorter. So if you are more of a petite, this would be a great length for you. These are priced at $99. I have a 2, a 4, and a 6 in those. This is a really cute animal print. The sleeves are sheer. Allie has this, and the body part is lined. It's a lightweight knit. It has the ruching on the side, but it looks so good on it. Something you can kind of dress up. But Allie has this, and she's worn it several ways, and it looks amazing on her, I must say. Priced at $86. I have a medium, and I have a large. And I would say that probably ran a little bit small.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It does. It's very fitted, so it almost gives a look of like a
bodysuit or something, yeah. Okay, here's another winter white, and this again is more of a twill finish. This is the other style I have with the 3-tiered fray bottom, and it does go up a little bit on the side as well. This is more of a skinny leg, 28 inch, so it's an ankle length. It is priced at $89. I have 2 pair left in that. I have a 4 and I have a 10. And the last thing I'm going to feature is going to be my twin. So we have, this is actually one top. It looks like you have it layered, but it's just a one top here. It is priced at $124 with the metallics in it. I have a small, I have 2 mediums, and I have 2 large, and I have on the medium. The pant that I have on is the gold. And this was, what was this, all cotton, like 98 cotton and 2 spandex or something? I mean, it feels like leather. It's amazing. These are priced at $114. And in these I have, what size did I have on?
You grabbed them.
6. No, you gave them to me.
I gave you the top.
Oh, okay. Well, dun 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 dun. Okay, these are a 4 that I have on. We didn't have a 6, I guess, but they're fine. I would wear them. So I have a 4, an 8, 2 8s, and a 12 in these. And just a reminder, all the Charlie B that's on this rack for Thursday and Thursday only will be 50% off. So you take half of all the original prices that I told you. Also remember that there's the rest of the store will be 30 off except for our exclusions, and that's Brighton, Julie Voss, Hammett, and our formal wear. The boots, let me tell you about the Corky boots. These are actually like a Swarovski crystal. They are a glass crystal. They're not plastic. They are priced at $120. I have a 6, a 7, an 8, 2 9s, and a 10 left in those. So these would be 30% off. So if you see something you like, please call the store at 336-766-7440. We ship to you for an $8 flat rate fee. All of the Charlie B will be a final sale. Or you can make a direct message on email, Instagram, or Facebook. And as always, ladies, thanks for watching. And please remember, all of us small stores to shop local this holiday season. Have a great one.